Over here, when you use home, it's a very special word here, so you have to use it correctly. With home, it's just the verb and the word home, no prepositions in between. So you cannot say I arrive to my home. No. You understand? So you just say arrive plus the word the verb plus the word home. Okay? So we say arrive what?
Home.
Home. Get
Home.
These two are the same, right? They're the same. It's the same thing, except that one is what? Formal, while the other is informal. Everything that has to do with the verb get is informal. Period. Okay? So here we're going to say get home. Here we're going to say what? Come home. Dip come. Oh. Oh. Leave. Leave. Home. Good. Then you're going to give me time, right? An idea of time using at. Okay. Sam.
I arrived home at 6 p.m.
Great.
Marcia gets home at 12.
Great.
Peter comes home.
Comes.
Yeah. Peter comes home at 12.
Good.
And Louis leaves home at midnight.
Great. Good job. Lady.
I arrive home at 4.
Excellent.
Sylvia gets home at 12.
Great.
Alberto comes church at 3.
Comes home.
Comes home.
Comes home at Alberta. Again.
Alberta comes home at 12.
Good.
And I will come at 7.
Great. Now let's use an idea of